this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 87 when you're trying to run the DISM command. So if you're getting an error when you're trying to run this restore health command, then what you'll need to do is just come over to the start menu on your computer, search for services, and then click on the services window. Now from the list of services, scroll all the way down until you see the Windows module installer. Now, once you've found this service, simply right-click on it, click on Properties, and make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then press Apply and OK. Once you've done that, double-click on it again, and where it says Service Status, we need to make sure this is running. So you can do that by clicking the Start button, and once this is started and running, press OK, and then you can come back over to your command prompt window, and you can now try running the DISM Restore Health command, and just like that, it should go ahead and work successfully. Now, if it doesn't work the first time, you can always try restarting your computer, and that should go ahead and fix that error code 87. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.